In this question, we're asked to find the dimensions, the sides, the length of the sides of the container for a cubical steel tank that will hold 475 liters of water. So in a cubical steel tank, all three of the sides, the length, the width, and the height will be the same because it's going to be a perfect cube. So in an earlier video, which is attached to this playlist, and you may be able to see it on YouTube, we talked about how a centimeter cubed is equal to a milliliter. Well, it turns out that a decimeter cubed, so 1 decimeter by 1 decimeter by 1 decimeter for length, width, and height, so 1 times 1 times 1 decimeter cubed is equal to 1 liter. So instead of thinking of this tank as 475 liters, we can think of this tank as 475 decimeters cubed. And the length of any one side is going to be the cube root of the volume. So in this case, we want to take the cube root of 475. And when you do this on your calculator, you will find out that length equals 7.80245 and some more numbers decimeters. However, in the problem, it wants us to find our answer to the nearest point, 0.01 meters. So we need to convert this to meters. Well, it turns out that there are 10 decimeters, which I want on the bottom, per 1 meter. And since we want it to the nearest tenth, so we take this, multiply by 1 divided by 10, 0.78 meters. So we divide this by 10, and then we measure to the nearest tenth, or the second decimal point, and we get 0.78 meters. I will point out this is not the correct number of significant figures. Based on this number, we could go with one more sig fig, but it does ask us for the nearest hundredth of a meter, so that's why we report to the hundredths place here.